guys, welcome back to my channel, Katara Cleans. Make sure you like, subscribe to keep up with my content. Also, you can book us by going to www.kataracleans.com, where you can book appointments and you can also purchase products. We have products such as air fresheners, Breathe Easy. We have dishwashing liquids, multi-purpose sprays, and we even have laundry bags and laundry memberships. So please make sure you like and subscribe. And then the first things that I want to talk about today are the things that you absolutely do not want to do when cleaning your home. The number one tip that you do not want to do is you never want to mix products, especially bleaching ammonia or bleaching soap. Those are very hazardous when mixed together. That is a huge no-no. The next thing you never want to do is add too much soap to the mop water. The floors will be slippery and you can potentially hurt yourself. Another thing that you don't want to do is you never want to mix towels. If you clean the restroom with a certain towel, you do not want to clean that kitchen with the same towel. Make sure you color code your towel so that way you don't get them confused. Another thing is make sure you have a cover for your microwave. It's also good for your food. You don't get the radiation poison, and it also doesn't cause spills in the microwave. So hopefully you use those tips and they help make your life easier. Thank you for watching my channel. Remember to like, subscribe to Katara Cleans, and go to my website, www.kataracleans.com. Thank you. Is that okay?